Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 29th of June 2025 and here in London the weather is absolutely beautiful. It's really hot, extremely hot. So if you haven't watered your plant, I strongly suggest you water your plant before you watch the video. It's very hot today. Now in today's video I'm going to talk about how to grow Bangladeshi sheem uri successfully here in the UK. Uri is also known as Hyacinth beans or flat beans. So I'm going to talk about a few common problems and issues that you'll face growing Hyacinth beans here in the UK. Make sure to stay till the end because I have good news. We have lots of vegetables to harvest, especially bottle gourds. Aphids are a common pest for growing sheem. To recognize aphid on flat beans, look for small, dark-colored, pear-shaped insects, typically black or dark green, often clustered on new growth and the underside of the leaves. Infestation can cause curled and distorted leaves, stunted growth, and sticky honeydew substance on the plant and surrounding areas. Identifying and addressing aphid infestation early is crucial to protect your flat beans. Now, prevention is better than cure. I'm looking at my uri plant and it's looking beautifully healthy. It's producing lots of uris for me. Now this is because I've been using a Neem solution to prevent aphid attacks. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to prevent aphid attacks, and if you do get attacks you can also get rid of it by using a Neem solution. It's 100% organic and it doesn't harm the plant. Now you can buy neem oil from your local pharmacy, or you can buy them from most Asian shops. They sell neem oil. If not, you can buy them in Amazon or eBay. Get the 100% organic one, cold pressed, so there's no chemical added to it. Now neem oil has been used in South Asia in organic farming for thousands of years. So to make neem oil, first you buy a neem oil, get a water bottle sprayer. This is I think a liter water bottle sprayer, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of neem oil in 1 liter of water. So 1 teaspoon of neem oil, and add 1 teaspoon of dish soap, washing up liquid or fairy liquid, 1 teaspoon of. So I'm going to put about a few drops. That should be enough. Now give it a good mix. Now spray on the plant thoroughly every 2 weeks as a prevention. You could use the Neem solution all around the garden, on all your plants, chili plant, hodu plant, cucumber plants, and you will keep the aphids away. And you will protect from a few different fungal diseases, things like powdery mildew and downy mildew. Now let's give you an update on our hodu plant, bottle gourd plants. Now many of you call this dodi. We like to call them lau or hodu. This is the round variety, small. We've harvested 2 of them last week, and this will be our 3rd one. It's a beautiful hodu, this one. They don't grow as big. Now this is a different kind that I'm growing for the first time, and I'm not sure how big they get, but I'm going to harvest them today. Otherwise they might form seeds inside and they will not taste as nice. So beautiful looking hodus. Bismillah. Look at this beautiful lal khodu. It's a round shaped one, and to be honest with you, I'm not sure how big they get. I will only know when I cut them. I don't want seeds to form inside. Wow, beautiful. Smells nice. Nothing better than home produced khodu. Oh, mashallah, beautiful, beautiful. This is very nice. Beautiful looking bell pepper. Very healthy vegetable, bell peppers. Oh, look at this amazing tomatoes. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. You have to try one actually. This is the cherry tomatoes. Delicious, so sweet, has a little bit of tanginess to it. Beautiful. Now our eggplant plant is doing fantastically good. It's looking beautiful. I've harvested about 10 of them the other day. We had guests in the house and we made pakora and bhaji with it. They taste beautiful, fantastic, very nice. Amazing harvest, beautiful hodu, 5th of the season. This is a new variety I'm growing for the first time. Not sure how they will taste, but I'm sure they will taste nice. Plenty of sweet cherry tomatoes and beautiful looking bell peppers. One of my favorite. I love eating bell peppers, very healthy. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.